Hello, you gorgeous lot. Welcome back. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell. Also, you can follow me on my socials on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. I'm everywhere. So let's get into it. So I'm doing a clear base. I'm just showing you how I do my clear bases when I'm doing a fresh set. So I fold together the tip right at the free edge just so I've got a good grip on it. Now this is showing you on an easy nail, something that doesn't have to, you don't have to cut the form to fit, you don't have to do any fandangled little bits here and there to make it go on right. It's just bog standard, straight on, make sure it's underneath the free edge if there is any. And know what shape you're doing beforehand as well. I do the end of the form, the free edge, the tip. I squeeze the tabs together so I've got a grip on the form as I'm placing it on. Now for the next nail, it is a little bit shorter and it's straight across, there's no curve. So this is what I do when I have a little bit of a shorter nail. I use the little sticky tab to cover the bottom of the window. Now you see on the form now, let me just rip this apart. See on the form now, that little extra bit, which now if you look at the shape of that area, it's now straight across and it matches the nail that it's going to go onto. So I hold it at the bottom like this and I hold the finger with my other hand and there. I work together with both my hands to get it in the right place. Always make sure that you get up under that free edge. That's really, really important that it is super flush. There are no gaps, there's no curls, there's no lifts, there's nothing. It just fits nice and flush and perfect. There are some points with some people's nails, their nails will be really narrow compared to the width of their nail bed, well not nail bed, their fingertip, should I say. So you may have to find that you have to cut the forms at the side to be able to get a nice flush fitting. When I do have somebody in that has nails like that, I will do another video just to show you so you can get different ideas of what it's like fitting forms to different types of nails. But this video isn't really for the form fitting, it's more for the thin base, how thin do I do it, and in what order do I do things. Now if I'm recording, I always tend to do my clear base and take off all my forms and file it all ready. Not a normal file as you would like finish filing, but a quick rough file just to get it into the shape. Because I don't want to file away too much, because I mean then you put the design work on and then you file again nice and crisp and it gets shorter and shorter and shorter. So you don't want to go like trigger happy with that nail file. Now I've just squeezed them all together because this is what length we are going to. We are doing in between small and medium. This is dehydrator going on. This is some of my Glitterama prep spray, but I've just put it in one of my empty bottles so I can brush it on as well. Not just spray it on, but brush it on, because I do sculpting. I don't want to soak the forms. And that's the primer going on. And here I am with my beautiful bad boy size 14 Leah brush. I one bead if I can, and then just flatten out the tip of my brush and cut off any excess. Now I cut it off to exactly where I'm going to go to. Now the little finger is always like half a size shorter, so it makes it like balance out better along the set. But what I do is I cut it off at the exact point that the length of the set will be. So look, small and a half there, and then I come in again and flatten it. That would be my gobby 3-year-old in the background there. And then like flatten the end of it down, the free edge, just so it comes out that, my god, just so it comes out a little bit extra. So then when I'm filing at the end, it's going to be the length that we wanted it to be and not like half a size shorter. make your clear base super paper thin. Now I'll show you how thin mine are when the forms come off, but mine are basically that thin that you can still bend them. Like, it takes ages for it to set because it's so thin. Here you'll see. Also, this is the first time I've worn Russian almonds in a long time, so I was struggling to use my hands. I couldn't get my nail up and I was like, oh my god, I can't get it off. Ah! So yeah, remove all these forms. Now you can see how thin they are because they bend as a file. Look, bendy, super thin. That is because they just haven't fully cured yet. But yeah, it's just a rough file into shape. Like, I don't go overboard. It's just rough, just so I can envision it, you know. So I hope that helps somehow, some way. Bendy. Thank you for watching. I will do some more videos like this that are a lot more in depth, but this is just to get you started. Stay slaying, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.